गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीची शेनवारा पत्रकार परिशद जाली. पक्षाचे म्हणयारे यतीश नायक, एनएसयूआय भाग सांबाळपी जनार्दन भंडारी सयत हेर एनएसयूआय संघटनेचे वांगडी आसले. सरकारान केल्ली नोटबंदी आनी गोंयांत चालू आशिल्ले मीन खणी बंद केल्ल्यान गोंयची आर्थीक परिस्थिती बिगडल्या. गोंयच्या लोकांच्या बोल्सांचेरय परिणाम जाला, अशें यतीश नायक म्हणटा.
For the youth of the state, and the youth are the future of the state, future of the country. You see, the state is presently in economic turmoil. Economic turmoil because the growth has slowed down. The economy of the state and the country has lost robustness. The government of the state and the country is doing nothing to stimulate growth in the economy, and the livelihoods of the people, the households of the people are facing the wrath of this economic turmoil. In this situation, the people of the state are made to fend for themselves. The people of the state are in trouble. Their income has gone down or has stagnated. Sources of income have remained limited inasmuch as they are under threat because of closure of so many enterprises, closure of so many livelihood mechanisms. And in such a situation, people are battling. To add to it, the haphazard introduction and implementation of GST has taken a toll on the economy of the state. It has lowered the growth rate of the economy. It has cut into the pockets of the common man. The moment GST was introduced in the haphazard fashion, the economy showed signs of dipping. No sooner they got this assault of demonetization, the economy further fell down. The economy is showing no signs of growth from these assaults. Immediately thereafter, people are now finding themselves under the wrath of inflation, uncontrolled inflation, which has troubled the common man. You have inflation of fuel prices, where petrol prices, diesel prices, prices of cooking gas have hit the sky. You have inflation of essential commodities. You have inflation of food and allied items. So the life of a common man, the life of every household is under economic strain. You are seeing loss of jobs. You are seeing creation of no jobs, no new jobs. You see this issue of mining industry. So many direct dependents, indirect dependents are facing the wrath of this economic turmoil. Therefore, it is resulting into a threat to the very livelihood and to the households of Goan families. Therefore, in view of this, we have made 3 demands. The student wing of the Congress party has made 3 demands. These demands are upon eliciting the views of the people and in sync with the aspirations of the people.
आर्थिक परिस्थितीक लागून लोकांचे बजेट वाढला. म्हारगाई इतली वाडल्या की लोकांक त्रास जावपाक लागला. सगळ्या म्हारग जाल्ल्यान भुरग्यांक शिक्षण दिवपा खातीर लोकांक खूप त्रास जातात. त्या खातीर काँग्रेसीन 3 मागण्यो सरकाराकडे दवरल्या. ते बेगीनाच पुराय करच्यो अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीन केल्या.
आमी गोंयच्या सरकारा कडेन स्टुडंट वेलफेअरा खातीर विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कल्याणा खातीर वेगवेगळ्यो 3 मागण्यो सरकारा कडेन केल्ल्यो आसात. विद्यार्थ्याच्या शिक्षणाच्या उज्वल भवितव्या खातीर ह्यो मागण्यो 3 अश्यो आसात. म्हणजे डिमांड 1 आसता तो रिक्वेस्ट टू एन्श्योर दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट बेअर्स एंटायर एज्युकेशनल एक्सपेन्सीस ऑफ द स्टुडंट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. डिमांड 2 request to ensure that the government bears entire travelling expenses of the student in the state of Goa to their educational institution and back to home. And demand 3, request to revisit and revert the school timing of the students and to revert back to original school hours from 8 AM to 1 PM. अशी ह्यो मागणी आमी गोंय सरकारा कडेन मांडिल्ली आसात. ह्यो मागण्यो इतल्या खातीर केल्ल्यो आसात कित्याक हेजे मुखार विद्यार्थ्याच्या भवितव्याक धोका आसा आनी ह्यो मागण्यो पास जावप ह्यो काळाची गरज आसा. भाजप सरकार सत्तेर येतरेर अच्छे दिन येतले म्हूण खुबश्या मध्यमवर्गीय लोकांक, सामान्याच्या समान लोकांक दिसून आयलें, पूण हांगा भलतेंच घडलें. अशी एक सुनामीची लाट आयली, एक तडाखो आयलो आनी त्या तडाख्यांक मध्यमवर्गीय लोक, सामान्य लोक आनी सामान्याचे लोक व्हांवून गेले. तितूंत मातशें उबी रावता म्हणल्यार म्हारगायेन कमर भावगली. आनी आतां तर शिक्षणा लागून पेरंट्सांची कमर मोडपाची पाळी आयिल्ली आसा. कित्याक सद्याच्या आर्थीक परिस्थितीची जी घडी आसा ती विस्कटली आसा आनी तेतूंत आतां बरीच कठीण आसा तेंच्या स्टुडंटांक, पेरंट्सांक फुडलें शिक्षण तांकां दिवपा खातीर. फाटल्या दिसांक तुमी आयकल्लें, पळयलें आसतलें आमचें जन गण मन नमन तुका गोंयकारा. हें करता आसतना आमी जेन्ना भोंवडेक गेले, वेगवेगळ्या मतदारसंघांक गेले, वेगवेगळ्या गांवांक गेले, वेगवेगळ्या लोकांक मेळ्ळे आनी ह्या लोकां कडच्यान आमकां खुबश्यो तेंच्यो ज्यो तेंचे उलोवप आमकां मेळ्ळें, आयकून आयलें की तांकां खुबशे त्रास जावपाक लागलात ह्या हो सरकार आहा ते तरेर. हेतून तेंचे पोटाचे कितें वेगळे आसात, डेली रोजगार वेगळे आसात, तेन्ना आतां शिक्षणाचे तेंचो व्हडलो पेज तयार जाल्लो आसा. बाबा आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमी भविश्यांत शिक्षण कशें दिवप ह्या म्हारगाये मुखार. तेन्ना तेमी अशी आमचे कडेन एक मागणी केली, तुमी आनी कितें तरी फाटीं दवरात पूण शिक्षणा खातीर एक म्हणजे बरें मेळपा खातीर आमच्या भुरग्यांक ह्या त्रासां आसतना एक तुमी मागणी करून आमकां दिवची म्हूण. आनी तीच मागणी आमी सरकारा कडेन मांडली आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकारान बेगोबेग ही दखल घेवन ह्या लोकांक ज्या लोकांनी त्रासांत घातला त्या लोकांक परत त्रासांतल्यान भायर काडपाक आमी प्रयत्न करचो.
Each and every student is not taking this or that Bharat, correct? So we are telling the government that in these challenging times where the economy is slowing and is showing no signs of growth, in such times when the livelihoods and people's households are under stress, you take over the expenses and create some mechanism whereby each and every student's expenses of traveling, education, everything is taken care of. And this is more importantly because, as I have told to you, government is spending crores of rupees in this fashion. I'll take that issue of roads separately. I'll take that issue of roads separately. You see, it was a smart thing for smart people to do it. You see, it is not a isolated thing to dig a good road and then do it this way. That madness also had reason. You see, let the government make a good policy